This video looks at the formal method for short division. What we have here is a normal division calculation, 4 digits divided by 1. This digit here, this number rather, 8,715 is the number that we are going to share, and we're going to share it between 7 equal pots or people or whatever it would be. We call this large number here that we are sharing out, or any number that we're sharing out, our dividend, and the number that we are dividing by is our divisor. Our answer will be called the quotient. Now, to do the short division method, we lay it out like this. So this here is how we lay it out. We sometimes call this the bus stop method. And we've got our dividend now inside the bus stop and our divisor just outside. And we are going to split this number up into 7 equal parts. This here is a bar model for this calculation. We've got our dividend on top, and we're going to divide it into 7 equal pieces. So I have 7 equal boxes underneath. What goes in each of these boxes is our quotient. That'll be worked out up here. First thing we need to do is we need to say how many times does 7 go into 8. So if we count in 7s, 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. That's far too big. So we say 1 times 7 is 7. We were looking for 8, so we have 1 left over because 8 take away 7 is 1. And we put this 1 here, next to the next digit. We've carried it across. It is a remainder. Then we do the same again. So now we're counting in 7s again. We're looking for 17. So we do 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. 21 is too big, so we go back to 2 7s. 2 times 7 is 14. 17, take away 14, is 3. So we have a remainder of 3 this time. So we carry our remainder across to the next box. And then again, how many 7s go into 31? We count in 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So 7 times 5 is 35. That's too big. So we go back to 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28, which leaves us a remainder of 3. There. And then we have 7. 7 times what is 35? Or how many times does 7 go into 35? We count in 7s. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. And that gives us our answer, our quotient. So the answer here for a divide question is called our quotient, and this number would go in each of these boxes, like this. And that is our formal method for short division. Let's look at another one. Here is another division calculation. Our divisor, the large number that is being divided up, is called our dividend, and our divisor is the number that we're splitting up by. So how many equal parts are we splitting it into? In this case, 3. So our dividend is the one that's being shared out. Our divisor is what we're sharing it out by. We lay it out in the formal method, just like this. We've now got our dividend inside our little bus stop, hence why it's sometimes called the bus stop method, and our divisor just outside here. And we're going to say how many 3s go into 6. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. There's no remainder this time, so we don't have to carry anything across. Again, 3 times 2 is 6, no remainder, so we have nothing to carry across. Now this time, slightly more tricky. 3 times something equals 1. Well, 3 times 1 would be 3, which is far too big, so we have to go one less than that. 3 times 0, so we write a 0 there. 3 times 0 is 0, which means we have 1 left over. We carry the 1 across. 3 times something is 12. So how many 3s go into 12? Let's count in 3s. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. And there we have our answer, our quotient. Here, the quotient. our dividend, dividend goes here, divisor and quotient. And that is the formal method for short division without remainders. Next week we'll be looking at a video that looks at what we do with remainders if there is something left to carry over after this point. Have another look at this video, watch it as many times as you want, pause it, try doing the method yourself, and then watch the rest of the video and see if you got it right.